वेलकम टू एबीपी लाइव। इट्स मी विद यू तनीषा और आज हम खड़े हैं एनर्जी इंडिया वीक 2025 में, जहां पर हमारे साथ हैं HPCL और AIC पिनिकल द्वारा उद्गम इनिशिएटिव शुरू करने वाले एवोल्यूशन नारी में, जिसके अंदर 15 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो कि सिर्फ फीमेल्स हैं, जो इसकी खासियत है, हमारे साथ आज खड़ी हैं। आइए जानते हैं एक एक करके उनकी कंपनी के बारे में और कैसे ये इंडिया में एक एवोल्यूशन लाने में मदद करेगा एक नारी की जिंदगी में। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं आपसे।
मेरा नाम उमा शर्मा है एंड मैं वुमनास्टिक की फाउंडर हूँ। सो बेसिकली वी आर creating a polymer quenching machine that is converting the waste plastic into filament. So the filament that we are getting now in the market is completely hollow from inside. So what we are doing is we have made some changes in the machine, and instead of melting the plastic, we are quenching the plastic and we are creating solid filaments from it. So the quality is much better, and also we have reduced the power consumption by 95%. And this entire process is running completely on solar power. So this is what innovative we are doing in this.
ये आपके मन में कहाँ से ख्याल आया था कि चलो ये शुरू करते हैं प्लास्टिक, जिससे हमें छुटकारा पाना इतना मुश्किल होता है, एंड यू यूजिंग इट इन इनोवेटिव वे एंड मेकिंग एवोल्यूशन एज बीइंग अ वुमन। सो इसके बारे में कुछ पता?
सो प्लास्टिक इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम जो हम अपने घर में यूज़ करते हैं। सो दिस इज़ हाउ केम कि हम कैसे इस प्लास्टिक से एक गेट रिड हो एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड वाई वुमेन्स, बिकॉज बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज में ही फिलामेंट बनता है। सो इट्स लाइक हमारे मन में वो रहता है कि ओ यार दिस इज़ अ मेन्स वर्क, है ना, लाइक बिग मशीन्स एंड ऑल। सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी केम कि हम एक ऐसी मशीन बजाए जो कि इतनी ईजी टू हैंडल हो, ईजी कॉम्पैक्ट साइज हो कि एनी वन कैन वर्क ऑन दिस। सो दिस इज़ हाउ वुमनास्टिक हो। सो वुमेन
So everyone in your company are females?
Yes, so like we are targeting to women's more. Obviously, we'll be engaging men also, but yeah, more to women's. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Now let's move towards another Nari who is making an evolution in India. So what's your name?
Hi, I'm Neelam Talera and I'm founder of Telosa. Yeah, you can see right on the screen the Telosa demo which is up there. So Telosa is an AI-enabled platform for Indian SMBs and enterprises, where it manages customer communication and digitization of that communication. Today, any SMB जिसका revenue 25 crore के above है, certainly they are looking forward to go. And by default, they are around on an average 20 plus social and the listing platforms. How do they manage their communication on those platforms? So that's what Telosa is enabling for all the Indian SMBs and the enterprises right now.
So इसे शुरू करने के पीछे like what was the main USP of your company and what was the main reason you started? Being a woman, you have chosen other things also. But as I can see, every woman, every Nari who is standing with me today, having their own they are basically breaking the stereotypes today. So can I know the concept behind it, the history, a basic, in a short term, like the history of starting your company and helping the products to reach, and also what is the USP and how it is different than other AI platforms?
So the changing times is the context behind this. Technology is enabling all the businesses, and data we already know is the new oil for the business. I come from the master data management background, so I understand how important data is. And the changing times certainly brings in more need for the businesses to be onto multiple platforms. So that's where I see that this is certainly an opportunity. And the another USP which we have is India is a diverse country. So we enable we enable the platform into every language which we have, every dialect we have, so that the businesses, the SMBs and their customers perhaps not be so great into any particular language. They must be more comfortable only into the local language, and we have enabled the entire platform into the local language.
Thank you so much for this. Let's move ahead with other Nari who has made, who is helping India to be evolve and innovate.
Hi, Nandita Dandekar, and we are co-founders of Pinktree. Yes, so Pinktree is basically a lung health disease management platform for doctors and their patients of asthma, COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, as you call it, pulmonary tuberculosis, and OSA, which is obstructive sleep apnea. So it is a lung health platform, and this is first time in India. I would say it's a very comprehensive disease management platform. As you can see it on the screen, it's come up. So that's about it. Us.
Basically, it says कि if there is a health, there is a wealth. If there is a wealth, then only you can make anything, and for that you have to be healthy, and this platform basically helping people around India to become more healthy and know about their disease and work on it. Am I right?
Absolutely. So one of the things that we talk about is patient generated health data, PGHD, right? So the concept of health data is coming up a big way, and Digital India is also the priority for, our startup. So I think it's a great way where data can be used to make informed decision making. And that is what it is helping doctors to do, and particularly pulmonologists who treat lung infections or lung diseases.
So, what was the USP behind it? As you said, to make obviously the people of India wealthy. But how is it different from other platforms who are giving the same initiative or making the same initiative in India? So, how it is the Pink Tree is different than others? Like I know it is different. Why? Because it is running by females, and it's making Nari evolution Naris ahead. But after excluding that part, what is the also a USP which makes it great?
Yeah, so I would like to say one thing, that today the problem that we are trying to solve is that, particularly in chronic therapy, the patient meets the doctor at an interval of 3 to 4 months. And in between, the doctor is busy because he has so many patients, and the patient may not be compliant to therapy. So here is a platform that is between the two consultation visits of the doctor, where the patient is able to manage his disease better. So that's the whole concept, and this is what makes us different.
Right. I'd like to add a point. So we also have the India's first vocal biomarker technology, which basically is a technology that if you take your voice sample for about 6 seconds, it will actually tell you if you are at a risk of a lung condition or not. So this is the first time that something like this is being used in India. We've also tied up with the COPD Foundation in the US, and we have a lot of features actually. One of them is the CAT test. So the CAT test is a very important diagnostic test for asthma and COPD. We have their permission to use it in our app. So number of such features actually, and a few global collaborations as well with GAP and COPD Foundation, like I said. So I think this is also a few of our standout features that we have in our platform.
Which will make India globally known by your company, known Pink Tree. The name is very unique, by the way.
Yes. So
what is the call? Yes, I want to know.
Tree stands for healthy lungs, because if your lungs are healthy, they are pink in color, and a tree because it's the respiratory tree of our body. That's the name Pink Tree.
It is very creative, by the way. Yes, let's move on towards the other evolutionary of this initiative. So, hello, ma'am.
Hello, my name is Sheetal and I'm founder of Sports Singo. Sports Singo is a fan engagement platform for sports fans. आपने देखा होगा स्पोर्ट्स फैंस बहुत कुछ करते हैं अपनी टीम्स, प्लेयर्स और क्लब्स के लिए, जैसे कि वो लोग मैच देखने जाते हैं, मर्चेंडाइज खरीदते हैं, फैन आर्ट बनाते हैं, बट कभी कोई एक जरिया नहीं है जिससे उनके फैंडम को रिवॉर्ड किया जाए. तो हमने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है, जो भी फैंस एक्टिविटी करते हैं अपने प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर हमारे आकर, लाइक अपना मर्चेंडाइज पोस्ट किया, दे गेट सम वर्चुअल कॉइन्स, और वो कॉइन्स रिडीम कर सकते हैं वो मर्चेंडाइज खरीदने में, टिकट्स खरीदने में, ऑल ऑन द वन प्लेटफॉर्म. So it's a content, community and commerce at all at one platform, and it's open for all the sports fans, be it any sport from cricket, judo, karate, canoeing, name a sport and you will have it on our platform. So that's basically the Sports Singo is.
Sports Singo basically helps only the sports person to know about it, or about the non-sport person also to learn about it?
It's both way, ma'am. Like, you can also come on our platform, you can learn about different sports, and also, I mean, like I said, it's a community of sports enthusiasts. So हमने restrict नहीं किया है सिर्फ sports fans को. In fact, sports psychologists, sports physiotherapists, athletes, players, everyone can come on the platform, because it's a community based platform. ये एक niche है जहाँ पर let's say you are a fan and आप कुछ sport खेलते भी हैं, and if you are looking to connect with a sports physiotherapist, you can come on our platform and connect with him and ask anything for free. So that's the a community based platform that we have created for all the sports fans and enthusiasts.
So it will make every sports person a love for this app. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. Because the basic idea हमारा यही था कि हम fans को कैसे reward करें. Like जब हम sports की बात करते हैं, athletes की बात करते हैं, IPL teams की बात करते हैं, but what about the fans who are driving the economy of sports? So that's the whole idea of creating this platform.
So it is very innovative from your side and very creative also. और इसकी USP बताइए हमें कि बाकी जो sports को लेकर initiate अपने companies है, how your what's the name? Sports Singo is different from others. How, ma'am?
सो स्पोर्ट्स इंगो डिफर ऐसे करता है कि जो बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म्स लेके आप जाएंगे तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, आप जाएंगे यू कैन टेक द इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट आवर प्लेटफॉर्म इज द ओनली वन दैट रिवॉर्ड फैंस फॉर their loyalty. Like I said, you know, you can get coins and those coins can be redeemed in purchasing merchandise and tickets. So there is no other platform who is doing that. So that's how we are different from rest of the platforms.
Which is basically very creative also. Being a female, you're matching the initiative, which is revolutionary.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. And in fact, sports ingo जो आप इसको split करेंगे ना, sports in and go. In means community, inclusivity, go is for action. Like sports in, you can India as well, sports India go. It's inclusivity as well, that in part. So the whole idea was to include everybody. To, you know, inclusivity is one of the elements that we really focus on. And about evolutionary, yes, of course, like, you know, as a woman, like you said that, अगर आप हमारी हिस्ट्री भी देखें तो women have won more medals in Olympics. Yeah.
True.
Yeah. So why not I make a woman can create a sports platform that can reward the fans and everybody out there.
Which will make other females who are sports lover but not able to access somewhere, will make them also very confident regarding it.
Definitely, like this, yeah, like you can see that on the screen as well. My platform is displaying that. Yes, definitely. I mean, like I encourage all the female fans and female athletes to come on my platform because I understand that, you know, I don't want to leave female audience behind. So, like when I said inclusivity means that we have to like include everyone, especially the women. And being a woman, I understand that the kind of the problems that women faces in this sports world. Yeah.
Because of other things, they have to leave something behind, and that is their career basically.
Right, yeah, ma'am. In fact, that's in every field. But when it comes to sports, like we are still not that progressive. So, yeah.
Thank you so much for bringing something so confidence in India, so that the women of India can rise up.
Definitely.
Thank you.
This is a very, very novel initiative what HP Udgam has taken. And basic purpose is to all the young women entrepreneurs who have got novel ideas, novel thoughts in different sectors, agri-tech, health tech. They're talking about AI, ML, deep tech areas. So they have got those thoughts, but they need a support platform, a mentoring, a subject matter expert support, a module sort of thing to go from a seed stage to the market stage, go to market. So there is the SPC as Udgam, we play a role. We are joined hands with AIC Pinnacle, and then we will design a module, an entire almost a year's module we are designed. So gradually they step up, we give them the mentoring support, we give them the subject matter expert support, how to pitch, how to connect with the investors, how to showcase your product to the market, and then we'll give them the industry connect, if required, grant support, funding supports. So finally, our purpose is we should make them totally independent, very, very robust startups who go to the market their solutions and their products, and they get a good funding. So that is the purpose we are driving this evolutionary. You see, the Nari part is there.
Yes.
So only women-centric we want to do. This is very unique from oil company side. This is the only company, HPCL, who is doing this.
Everyone have their capability to rise up, whether it's a male or a female. But the bitter truth is that females will left behind. Majority of females left behind, not because of some restrictions, but of responsibilities. I must say so.
The opportunities, we want to give them full support on opportunities.
Yes.
So they got very unique and novel ideas and thought process. Very nice.
Everyone have their own creative minds, and this evolution brings Nari in front with their own creativeness.
Yes, that's what we are.
The more very interesting thing is that everyone have their different genre.
All different.
Yes, every sector is different.
Somebody is sports, somebody is AIML, somebody is talking about agri-tech, somebody health tech, respiratory. So, and they're talking about child, their system of, somebody has developed millet-based food, iron rich, so the children get that nutrition, the women get the nutrition. So, very, very nice, very novel ideas they have got this. We want to really support them and back them up.
The support of yours will make them more evaluate in this field, plus make them more creative, and from there they can bring more creativeness in India and make other females who want to start their business but don't have that much confidence will get or rise from it.
Exactly. Thank you very much for covering this.
No. I actually wanted to cover this. Let's cover some more females who are left behind. Come. Here. Individually. आप दोनों different हैं? Yeah, different. But आप Namaste.
Namaste.
I know you're not able to speak Hindi or English. No. Kindly help me, ma'am. Can you please tell her about, can she evaluate about her company?
Yes, yes. Yeah, actually she knows this. Actually, they are from Erode, Tamil Nadu. Okay, they have developed clothmates. They have their own company clothmates. जो वहाँ पे ना antimicrobial chemicals बनाते हैं, which is coated on the fabrics. ठीक है, fabrics के ऊपर कोट करके then they are making this clothes in order to ensure the safety to doctors, nurse, patients, everyone. Along with that, they also have their product which is fire resistant. Okay.
तो ये जो इनका प्रोडक्ट है, it will help doctors and patients only or it will help others also?
हाँ, actually they have this antimicrobial agent. ठीक है, they have developed their own organic this thing, so that will help. That is helpful in all the sectors.
ये जो पूरा इनिशिएटिव है कंपनी ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रो हुआ है.
हाँ.
सो इसमें कोई केमिकल्स इस्तेमाल नहीं हुए.
हुआ है.
तो ये ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रो हुआ है.
इनकी बेटी का है, तो she couldn't come because she is having a small baby, 6 months old baby. Yeah, that's why she couldn't. So she is.
तो उनको यहाँ पे लाने वाले तो यही हैं. So the mind is same, only the body is different.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yes, thank you so much for helping her out. So can I know about your company and how your company is helping Evolution Nari to grow?
So myself, Kausar Banu, founder of Biosuc Life Sciences. So we at Biosuc develop revolutionary paper-based devices to solve the global problem of milk adulteration. जैसे कि हम रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में दूध पीते हैं, ठीक है, बच्चे से लेके बुजुर्गों तक दूध पीते हैं, बट वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑन स्पॉट डिटेक्शन सोल्यूशन. जैसे कि हम ना ये बनाते हैं प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज अवर प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है, मिल्क इज अ ह्यूज मार्केट. नो, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ अडल्ट्रेंट्स दैट इज कंटामिनेट. ठीक है, अडल्ट्रेंट्स जो है यूज करते हैं. तो इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, सिमिलर टू अ प्रेगनेंसी कार्ड, जैसे विद इन 30 सेकेंड्स यू विल गेट टू नो द रिजल्ट्स. तो वैसे ही हम लोगों ने ये मिल्कोमैक डिवाइस बनाया है, पेपर बेस्ड माइक्रोफ्लूइडिक्स. तो दिस इज वेरी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव, eco friendly, because this is made out of paper. ठीक है, you just have to add a drop of milk, wait for 30 seconds, and within 30 seconds, based on the color change, you will get to know whether the milk is pure or adulterated. So we have worked on this from past 5 to 6 years to make this so much user friendly.
It's very creative that बस आपको एक ड्रॉप डालना है and you will get to know whether the milk is pure or adulterated.
बेस्ड ऑन द कलर चेंज. इवन फार्मर्स भी इजीली इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, और हर कंज्यूमर बिफोर कंज्यूमिंग मिल्क दे कैन ऑल्सो इजीली टेस्ट एट होम.
Basically, after getting sick and know that this milk was not right, you will get it before कि ये पीना है या नहीं है.
करेक्ट. तो आवर मोटो इज वन इन एवरी होम.
It's very unique. So what was the basically the idea of putting this name? What is the purpose of this name?
Biosuc Life Sciences. तो we want to become the pioneer in the paper microfluidics technology. ठीक है, जैसे हम ये अभी बना रहे हैं मिल्क अडल्ट्रेशन डिटेक्शन के लिए, तो सिमिलरली वी हैव वाटर अडल्ट्रेशन डिटेक्शन, एंटी माइक्रोबियल रेसिस्टेंस जैसे AMR हो गया, ठीक है, और ये देन सॉइल न्यूट्रिएंट एनालिसिस. तो इन सब के लिए, एंड हैवी मेटल डिटेक्शन, तो सबके लिए वी आर ग्रोइंग. दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज हाईली स्केलेबल for different solutions. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and it's very creative. I hope everyone in India should know and have that in their home, so that पीने से पहले दूध ये पता चले कि भैया वो पीना है या नहीं. Yeah. So can we have other Evolution Nari in this field? Yes. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Can I know about your company?
So I'm Shreya Naik, founder of Saksha Innovation Lab. So Saksha stands for like evidence. In Hindi, Saksha का मतलब होता है evidence. Okay. So हम लोग जो है, we are developing a fingerprint decipherment kit out of nanomaterials. तो we are catering forensic professionals, forensic science laboratories, police stations, and also the military and defense agencies, private investigation firms. So we have developed range of products जो डिसाइफर करते हैं फिंगरप्रिंट्स. सो वी हैव लाइक रियलाइज्ड कि ऐसे बहुत सारे पेंडिंग केसेस है FSLs में जो पेंडिंग है बिकॉज ऑफ द पुअर क्वालिटी विच इज़ अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. जो पाउडर्स की है, दे आर नॉट एबल टू डिसाइफर दोस फिंगरप्रिंट्स. और हम लोगों ने ऐसा पाउडर जो बनाया है विच इज़ गिविंग level 3 डिटेल्स. सो उसकी वजह से बहुत सारे जो केसेस है सॉल्व हो पा रहे हैं, और वी आर एबल टू डिलीवर जस्टिस टू द पीपल. सो
The justice for the people who need it, and the most basic USP and the primary USP is it's run by the female.
यस मैम. सो हमारी यूएसपी जो है, ऑल्सो हम लोग सुपीरियर कॉन्ट्रास्ट एंड एडहेशन देते हैं. अच्छे स्मार्ट मटेरियल्स जो हमने यूज़ किए गए हैं इसमें डेवलप करने के लिए. और अगर आप हमारा प्रोडक्ट जो है 10th प्रोडक्ट जो भी बनेगा या फिर 100 प्रोडक्ट जो भी बनेगा, उसकी सेम साइज, सेम क्वालिटी, सेम कलर रहेगा, विच इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. जो बाकी के कन्वेंशनल पाउडर्स अवेलेबल है, दे टेंड टू फेड ओवर टाइम, क्लस्टर होना शुरू कर देते हैं. और इवन जो कलर्स हैं उनके वो फेड होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. इवन द साइज एंड द शेप इज़ नॉट यूनिफॉर्म. तो हम क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि हमारी साइज, शेप, क्वालिटी, कलर जो है वो कंसिस्टेंट रहेगा पूरे बैच के लिए जो भी हम बना रहे हैं. सो या वी आर रेडी टू सर्व द कंट्री, और जस्टिस डिलीवर करना हमारा प्राइम मोटो है. एंड या दैट्स इट.
Thank you so much. It's very unique. Like I was not expecting this company here, to be honest. It is very something unique and very powering also, making me also feel, I don't know why I'm feeling very powerful. Seeing a female working on such things and making others have justice without any mixture of illegality. So thank you so much for your time. Can I have another evolutionary of this initiative who's making us proud? Hi, can I know about your... Yes, can I know about the evolutionary? I can see and I've seen many products जो बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, बहुत नारियाँ जो अलग अलग कंपनी पर काम कर रही हैं. So can I know about your company? What's you giving us?
Yeah. So, hello. My pleasure that I'm here for this introductory session. So my name is Pahal Garwa and my startup name is Green Gum. So what Green Gum, the name signifies that it helps the plants remain green for longer duration, and it's made from different sort of gums and waste materials. So this is our patented technology. So what we are doing is that we are targeting the problem of low crop yields, poor soil health, and the droughts or the water lack of water availability in the regions where there is very limited water. Can you start? Can I start again?
You can. It's pre-recorded. You can start from the initial part.
Huh. I'll start once again because I'm having a bad day. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello, my name is Pahal and I'm the founder at Green Gum. So at Green Gum, we are transforming waste into sustainable, 100% biodegradable, biopolymer based agricultural inputs with zero carbon emission upcycling. So we are targeting some of the major problems in agriculture and environmental sector today. Those are low crop yields, poor soil health, and droughts or lack of water availability, because agriculture today is consuming more than 80% of the fresh water reserves that are already dwindling. So so we have developed a couple of products. This is a hydrogel which we have developed, which is a completely biodegradable hydrogel, and this is the seed coat which we have developed. So we have used this these pH responsive biopolymers and our own cross-linking and our own patented technology we have used. So they retain large amount of water, and whenever the soil dries up, they release the water back into the soil and hence maintain the moisture levels for extended periods and can support the plant for more than 25 to 30 days in immediate drought-like conditions. So there is a plus point for the farmers who are living in the areas where there is very little rainfall. And this seed coat we have developed by using nano encapsulation technique, and we have encapsulated all the essential nutrients and the micronutrients that are required by the plants, and it has slow and controlled nutrient release properties. By that I mean that it prevents the nutrient leaching which otherwise happens in the soil. So it matches the plant's nutrient uptake patterns and releases the nutrients accordingly. So it's solving a lot of the environmental problems, as it is reducing the overall heavy usage of these synthetic fertilizers and the reapplication of the fertilizers. And also when they are degrading, they help the soil in getting more enhanced than degrading it.
So as you said, देखिए, भारत की प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी होती है एग्रीकल्चर, एंड इफ एग्रीकल्चर इज वर्किंग, और जो सॉइल है इट्स अ हार्ट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, एंड इफ यू आर मेकिंग समथिंग सो इनोवेटिव सो दैट इट विल ऑलवेज बी अलाइव रेदर देन डाई, सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड initiative from your side to our country also. Thank you so much for interacting with us and helping farmers to have a good soil to grow their things.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So hi, as I was interviewing everyone from Evolution Nari, can I know what you brought for us?
Yeah, basically my name is Vidya, founder of Agrozy Organics. Yeah, okay. Agrozy Organics. Basically we are into the millets. We have our brand that is Millets now. We are catering the millet based product. But right now we have our Crack One technology that extends the shelf life of pearl millet flour up to 6 months. And out of that we have made this NutriDabba, which is made from pearl millet and it has no additives for extending the shelf life. It is made from jaggery only and it has no sugar content. We are serving these products to the school going childrens, and thereby we are what we are doing with this NutriDabba, we are actually strengthening their immune system. And secondly, we are also providing them the iron that is needed for them for hemoglobin and to tackle the disease that is anemia through our this dabba, because pearl millet has a higher iron content. So in that we have the 7 different products. These are the products, that is NutriBar is there, which is made from only pearl millet. Then ready to eat khichdi is there. Then this is Nachni, that is Nachni Sattva, finger millet का सत्व जिसे बोलते हैं, जिसमें it has a bone strengthening capacity. So we are providing them, this is the laddus, we are providing them, this whole kit we are providing them in the MDM, that is midday meal program, and also in the NGOs like such as ISKCON temples, or to be collaborate with another such NGOs to them to help the people who need this, who have the iron deficiency in them. Yeah.
So basically आप हमारे जो basic roots है, जो हैं बच्चे, जो आगे हमारा future है, you're just saving the future of our generation and our India.
Yes, and also
Can I know the name behind it? Like why you given this name?
yeah, because NutriDabba means nutrition we are giving them. Also adding to this, we have also one more thing, that we are also strengthening the value chain of pearl millet, because pearl millet is a drought resilient crop. That means that it need lesser amount of water. So we are also tying with FPOs to increase the production of pearl millet, so that environment को भी help हो इससे. And my co-founder is there, he is looking after this part. So typing with FPOs, how we can interact with FPOs, how we can interact with farmers, and how we can also help the environment to save the water.
Okay, thank you so much for your initiative. It will make our future also bright. और अच्छा लगता है जब लड़कियां कुछ करती हैं.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Is there any other? Yes. हेलो मैम, एवोल्यूशन नारी में आपका भी एक योगदान है, अपनी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए और कैसे ये फ्यूचर में इंडिया को अपब्रिंग करेगा ऊपर, इसके बारे में.
मेरा नाम सुधा है. मेरा नाम सुधा है. सो मैं फाउंडर हूँ आर्काशाइन इनोवेशंस का. सो हम लोगों ने पहले कोविड के टाइम पे फार्मर से कुछ बात किया था इनिशियली. तो उन लोगों ने बताया कि उनका क्रॉप यील्ड पिछले 10 साल से ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है. तो हम लोगों ने उनका सब कुछ देख लिया कि पेस्टिसाइड के क्या चल रहा है, फिर फर्टिलाइज़र में क्या चल रहा है, फिर व्हाट आर दे डूइंग, एवरीथिंग सब कुछ देख लिया. तो सब ने बोला कि चलो एक तो सॉइल टेस्ट भी कर लेते हैं. तो हम लोगों ने सॉइल सैंपल कलेक्ट किया, फिर लैब में दिया, उसका रिजल्ट आया 15 दिन बाद. देन वी टुक इट टू अ सॉइल साइंटिस्ट, गॉट द रिजल्ट्स, और उस रिजल्ट्स को हमने अप्लाई किया. तो हार्वेस्ट के बाद उसको यील्ड इंक्रीज़ हुआ, उतना ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ नहीं हुआ लेकिन ठीक ठाक से हो गया. सो इस बात से हमको पता चला कि सॉइल इज़ ऑल्सो ए फाउंडेशन, एंड उसका भी कुछ योगदान है आपके पूरा क्रॉप साइकिल में. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज लाइक, अभी तो पता ही है ना कि एक्सेसिव यूसेज ऑफ फर्टिलाइज़र भी फूड सिक्योरिटी को मैटर करता है. ग्रोइंग पॉपुलेशन भी हो रहा है और उसके कैटर करने के लिए आप लोगों को फूड भी ज़्यादा ग्रो करना है. सो इसीलिए फर्स्ट फर्टिलाइज़र भी ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रहे हैं. सो कैसे हम क्रॉप को जो चाहिए वो दे, तो उसके लिए हमको एक सॉइल टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज़ हाउ हम लोगों ने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया है जिसका नाम है सॉइल साथी. सो वो पॉइंट ऑफ केयर काइंड ऑफ अ डिवाइस है, पोर्टेबल है, 5 kg मशीन है, लेकर जा सकते हैं आप. एंड पेटेंट बहुत सारे फाइल्ड है, 8 पेटेंट्स फाइल्ड है, 3 ग्रांटेड है उसमें. और हम लोगों ने AI/ML टेक्नोलॉजी भी डाला है. सो सेंसर टेक्नोलॉजी कम्प्लीटली डेवलप बाय आर्काशाइन, वो पेटेंटेड है. और जो रिजल्ट्स आता है ऑन फार्म पे वो जियो टैग होकर क्लाउड पर जाता है. वहाँ पे AI एनालिटिक्स होकर क्रॉप रिकमेंडेशन बताता है. सो इस क्रॉप रिकमेंडेशन पे वो लोग मतलब जल्दी से शिफ्ट नहीं होंगे कि उनका लाइवलीहुड है वो. सो क्या करते हैं कि हम लोग 5 बेस्ट क्रॉप्स देते हैं. सो और क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस के लिए भी कुछ कई सारे प्रोडक्ट है. सो हम आर्काशाइन क्या कर रहे हैं, सॉइल रिलेटेड के साथ कुछ भी जो भी है प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड, लाइक मॉइस्चर बोल दो, टेम्परेचर बोल दो, या माइक्रोबियल कंटेंट, ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन, सारे पैरामीटर्स हम केटर कर रहे हैं और वी आर ट्राइंग टू हेल्प फार्मर्स. अभी हम लोग कर्नाटका में पायलट्स वगैरह चला रहे हैं इस प्रोडक्ट का. हमको सेल्स भी अभी स्टार्ट हो गया है. सो इस प्रोडक्ट का बहुत एडवांटेज है अगर फार्मर यूज़ करेगा. सो रीचिंग आउट टू फार्मर बहुत बड़ा टास्क हो रहा है और उनको एजुकेट करना और क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस ऑन सॉइल का हेल्थ टेक केयर करने से भी हेल्दी सॉइल विल प्रोवाइड हेल्दी क्रॉप एंड हेल्दी नेशन एंड हेल्दी प्लानट. वही हमारा गोल है. एंड थ्रू सॉइल साथी एंड थ्रू ऑल अदर प्रोडक्ट्स वी वांट टू रीच आउट टू मैक्सिमम फार्मर्स एंड डू आवर बेस्ट इन ब्रिंगिंग नेशन ग्रीन, सब कुछ हरा भरा हो और सभी.
बेसिकली ये जो कंपनी है आपकी सॉइल साथी, ये बेसिकली एक फार्मर, हाँ आर्काशाइन है, बट इट्स बेसिकली अ फ्रेंड ऑफ फार्मर सो दैट दे हैव अ गुड सॉइल टू हेल्प इन फ्यूचर और कभी वो डिग्रेड ना हो. So thank you so much for your initiative towards India and making the soil more upgrade.
Thank you.
So these all were the evolutionaries जो वुमेन्स द्वारा शुरुआत की गई सारी कंपनियां हैं जो वुमेन्स द्वारा रन होती हैं और जो एक भारत में एक इस टैबू को हटाती हैं कि फीमेल्स why only male have to start any business. Females are also here to bring some change in India. Thank you so much for joining us.